Hi, I'm here to talk about Solution Finish, an incredible product that restores originally black surfaces to a deep, rich, black finish without the wet look. Solution Finish is a product that is easy to use and dries quickly with no greasy residue. It's perfect for use on vehicles' rubber, vinyl, and plastic. It can be used on both exterior and interior surfaces. One of the best things about Solution Finish is that it can restore dull faded trim to its former glory. It's a game changer when it comes to restoring black surfaces and getting rid of that wet look that can be caused by traditional trim products. Another great thing about Solution Finish is that it's safe to use on all types of surfaces. It won't harm your vehicle's paint or any other finish. And it can be used on both new and old vehicles. The best part about Solution Finish is that it doesn't require any special equipment or skills to use. All you need is a clean, dry surface and a small amount of Solution Finish. Apply it with a clean cloth or brush, and buff it in with a microfiber towel until you achieve the desired finish. Solution Finish is a great product that can save you time and money when it comes to maintaining your vehicle. It can restore your black surfaces to their former glory without the hassle of going to the garage or spending a lot of money on expensive products. So, if you want to restore your black surfaces to their original shine without the wet look, try Solution Finish today. It's a product that you won't regret trying.